Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to another day of learning. I'm Miss Casey, and I'm your host. This is Miss Keisha, and she will be your teacher. Today, we are learning about a new phonics sound. Later in the lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper. Please go ahead and get that now. I hope that you have a great time learning your new sound.
Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn to pronounce and isolate that new sound Miss Casey just told you about. We will also read and write words with our new sound. Are you ready to get started? Here we go. So our new sound is oi, as in oil. And to produce this sound, oi, our mouth actually changes positions. Let's look at it. Here we began with rounded lips, and then we moved to a slight smile where we open our lips slightly. So again, we start with rounded lips, and then we move into a smile where our mouth is open slightly. So let's try that. Oi. Everyone say oi. Say it again. Oi. Very good. I hear you. Your mouth begins like this in a rounded position, and then you end in a slight smile. Let's do it one more time. Oi. Very good. Now let's practice some words that have the oi sound. If you look at my chart, you will see 3 rows of pictures. We're going to go through each of those rows, and we are going to find the beginning sound, the middle sound, and the ending sound that has oi. Let's look at our first picture. I know, this is a pig, but what I want you to focus on is the sound that the pig makes. Do you know what sound the pig makes? Very good. I heard you say oink. Very good. Our sound is oink. Our word is oink. Let's listen for the sound oi in oink. Oi, k, oink. Very good. We hear oi in the beginning of the word oink. Let's look at another picture that has oi in the beginning. This is an oyster. Everyone say oyster. Very good. Let's find the sounds in oyster. Oi, s, t, oyster. And again, we hear oi in the beginning of this word. Awesome. Does anyone know what this picture is? Very good. This is oil. We only have 2 sounds in the word oil, but the first sound is still oi, and the last sound is ooh. Very good, oil. Now, our next row of pictures are words that have the oi sound in the medial position or the middle position. Our first word is join. These boys and girls are joining hands. Our word is join. Can you say join? Yes. So now let's isolate that medial sound, which is the oi. Here we go. J, oi, join. Very good. We hear the oi now in the medial position. Can you guess what this is a picture of? Yes, it is a pot, but what's happening to that water in the pot? It's boiling. Very good. We see the bubbles, so we know that it is boiling. Let's do the word boil. Here we go. B, oi, oh, boil. Very good. We hear that oi in the medial position. Now, this is a penny. Yes, it is. But what other word can we use for penny that has the oi sound? Did I hear someone say coin? Yes, we can use the word coin. A penny is a coin. Let's do the word coin. K, oi, coin. Very good. Now our bottom row, do you remember where the oi sound will be in our bottom row of pictures? Yes, this time oi will be found in the final position or at the end in these words. Toy. Let's do toy. T, oi. Very good. Two sounds. Oi is found at the end of this word. This is soy sauce. Everyone say soy. All right, here we go. S, oi, soy. Very good. And our final word, everyone knows what this is. This is a what? A boy. B, oi, boy. Awesome job. Remember that when we make the oi sound, our mouths are rounded and we go into a slight smile. So let's practice that sound one more time before we move on. Oi. One more time. Oi. Good job. Now, oi is a vowel sound. And it's a vowel sound because we have a push of air coming out and it's unobstructed. Oi is a vowel sound. All right, so let me show you one way to write the vowel sound oi. And this is one way because there are several ways that you can write oi. But this way is when we have oi in the middle of a sentence. And here we go. Oi, we spell it O-I. So we are going to skywrite this first. All right, so you should be seeing oi on your screen. We're going to take our picture and we are going to skywrite oi. Here we go. We start at the middle and we curve around and back up. That's our letter O. And then we start at the top, at the middle, for the letter I, and we pull straight down to the bottom. Then we have to go back up and we have to dot our I. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate for you on paper how to write oi. Are you ready, boys and girls? Here we go. Starting at the middle. We're circling around and we're coming back up to the middle line to make our O. And then we're going to start on the middle line and we're going to pull straight down to our bottom line, stop, go back up, and dot our letter I. Those are the two letters that show one of the ways to write the oi sound. Let's do it one more time. Start at the middle, circle around to the bottom, circle back up to the top. Then we're going to start at the middle, pull straight down, and go back up and dot. All right, boys and girls, now it's your turn. Let's do it together. Grab your pencil, grab your paper, and we are ready. All right, say it out loud if you need to. Start at the middle, curve down, curve back up, and stop. Start at the middle, pull straight down, and dot your I. All right, you just wrote the letters to make the sound oi. And we use this again when we are using oi in the middle of a word. All right, one more time because you're so good at this. Here we go. Start at the middle, curve down, curve up. Start at the middle, pull straight down. Very good, boys and girls. Now, we are going to look at the code for OI. And here it is. When you write OI again, one way is with the O, the letter O, and the letter I. Now, let's look at some words that have been written that use OI in the medial or the beginning position. Here we go. Our first word, we see the OI, O-I, and we see the letter what? L. Very good. So if we began with OI and add the L, what word do we get? Do it in your head. Ready? Go. Very good. I heard you say oil. This is the word oil. Let's go to the next word. Yes, this is P. Then we have OI, which is OI. T. Let's blend this word together. Ready? Go. Point. Point. Good job. And our final word, ready? J. Oi. Join. Awesome. We just practiced 3 words with the oi sound. Let's review one more time. Oil. Point. Join. Awesome. All of these words have the sound oi. Good job, boys and girls. Now, remember, when you see these words written in your decodable text, that they will be in bold letters. All right? So, remember, one sound, 2 letters. Again, when you see oi, you're going to see 2 letters, 1 sound. All right. Now, we are ready for the fun part of the lesson. We are going to look at some objects. We are going to name those objects. Then we are going to write the letters that will spell the word that's the name of those objects. I'll model 1 for you, then we'll do 2 together, and then I'll let you do 1 on your own. How about that? All right, so we are going to start with this object. And I know it's a pen, but what is this called on the pen? Right here. I think I heard someone say the tip. Yes, it is called the tip, but the tip forms a point. Everyone say point. All right, now let's see, what sounds do we hear in the word point? We hear a P. We hear oi. We hear and we hear t. So now we have to write the letters that make those sounds. Our first sound was P. What letter makes the sound P? Good job. That's the letter P. So I very carefully write the letter P. The next sound is oi. Can you help me with that one? What letters make the sound oi? Remember, 2 letters, 1 sound. Good. That's the letters we've been working with today. O, I. The next sound we hear. Good job. And the final sound? All right, so let's go through this word. Let's blend it. Point, point. So the word is what? Point. Awesomeness. So we'll put the word point with the picture for point. Let's take our sticky notes away so that we can prepare for our next word. Our next word is, let's do the word for soil. In this bag, I have soil from my flower pot. Can you say the word soil? Good, soil. So now let's determine the sounds in the word soil. Our first sound is what? S. Good job. Our next sound, oi. And our final sound, ooh. All right, we have a sticky note for each sound in the word soil. We have s, oi, ooh. Now you are going to help me identify which letters match those sounds. Are you ready? The first one was s. What letter do I need to write? You would be correct. I need to write the letter S. Our next sound is oi. You got it. O and I. 2 letters, 1 sound. And our final, ooh. Good. I heard you say that was the letter L. Here we go. S, oi, ooh. Let's blend it. Soil. Awesome job. This is the word soil. So we'll move it up out of the way so that we can get to our next one. Our next one is in this bottle. All right, boys and girls, what do you think is in that bottle? Oil. Very good. Oil. And I only have a little oil left in that bottle, so I may need to go purchase some more before I run out. So, on your own, can you tell me the sounds you hear in oil? Very good. How many sounds was that? 2 sounds. You would be correct. Oi and oh. Here we go. Now tell me what to write. O-I. For that 1 sound, 2 letters. And oh. Very good. Let's move this out of the way so that we can blend what we just wrote. Here we go. Oi. Ooh. Oil. Awesome. And we will review all of these words at the end, but I have 2 more that you are going to do on your own. So, can you see that, boys and girls? I just placed a quarter on the table. This is a quarter. But a quarter, just like that penny, is also a coin. So, you have to do coin on your own. So, I'm going to give you a few seconds to identify the sounds in coin, and you're going to write the word coin on your paper. Okay, go ahead and get started. All right, let's see. What did you do? Okay, you divided it into sounds. What sounds did you come up with? Very good. I heard 3 sounds as well. So what letters did you use to match those sounds? All right, boys and girls, I heard you say that you used C for your first sound because you heard what? K. Very good. And then for your second sound, I heard you say that you used OI because those make the sound oi. And finally, I heard the N sound, which is spelled with N. So you have K, oi, N, coin. Very good. All right, boys and girls, for your final task, I am going to give you a word, and you are going to again do it on your own. Your final word, and I have a very good word for you. This word is coil. Everyone say that word, coil. Very good. Now, count your sounds. Good job. Now, write the letters that match those sounds. Okay, here's the answer to that word. I'm just going to write it. Did you get that? Awesome. Boys and girls, you did an amazing job going through and learning the oi sound. So as we close, I'm going to hold up the word and I want you to just say the word. Ready? Go. Coin. Great. Coil. Awesome. Point. Soil. And finally, oil. All right, boys and girls, I really enjoyed our time today. I'll see you next time.
Thank you for joining us. Please join us again for more reading fun. All rights and credits for today's lesson belong to Core Knowledge Language Arts. We would like to thank them for publicly sharing these valuable resources. Bye.
Bye-bye.